It may seem simple, yet it embodies countless wisdom and passion. Every design begins with a deep consideration of efficiency, sustainability, and durability. We don't just build machines, we solve real-world problems. Even when the workshop isn't visible, we are constantly simulating real scenarios in the virtual world. Testing never stops. A machine is more than just a tool. It should be intuitive to use and safe for every operator. They may not be on the factory floor, but they make our equipment smarter. They may not be on the front lines, but they make our service more dependable. They are the backbone that powers everything we do.